Alright, we got a crankshaft sensor for 96 Land Rover 4-liter gasoline engine, GEMS electronics. We have a very long extension. You see where it's connected to? And you're going to need quarter drive swivel. And that is 7 millimeter. It's way up in there. The first bolt takes the cover off. And I'll take the cover off and then take a short video of that, of what the cover looks like. Real long bolt. There we go. So we got the first bolt out right here. And we'll have to get the second bolt out the same way. Here's the old sensor. I always want to check the pin, make sure there's been no impact on it. Compare the two. Make sure that they are the same. You don't want to try to bolt up the wrong part. There's the hole where it goes. So I get right there. There we go. Come on. Now I'm going to have to take a bolt, line up the holes, and then put the cover on. Here's the cover. Orients like that on the engine. Both bolts are the same size, so it doesn't matter which hole you put them in. But this goes over the sensor and is sandwiched in between the bolt head and the sensor. Have fun getting it on. Go there. So I'm going to cinch this up, and that's essentially it. I mean, pain in the neck. There's a location. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.